In Tales of the Great Silk Road, there is a recurring theme of caves, in which brigands hid, and in which they concealed their loot. Stories about them took the form of legends and tales. On the southern edge of the Karakum, in the hills of Kugitangtau, they tell of giant elephants, which, so it is said, brought the Prophet Muhammad here, and they will show you thousands of fossil footprints of dinosaurs. Right next to this place is a sacred spring called Kainar Baba, where wounded men bathed during the wars of Tamerlane. Their ancestors today seek relief from many kinds of illness here. There are two springs, one with living water and the other with dead. One cleans and the other cures. Time has stopped in these places. It seems like only yesterday that the warriors of Tamerlane, moving along their long campaign, dropped these stones as they passed as a way of counting their numbers before closing the great gates on the road to India. It seems like not long ago that from these foothills came the noises of a bazaar where the ships of the desert of the time were unloaded, spilling the goods they carried from China. All of those travelers and beasts of burden probably drank water from this well, the only one in the whole area. As it did 7 centuries ago, it gives water now to flocks of sheep and preserves the memory of its caravan past. Nearby, in the ravine near a sacred grotto, are Zoroastrian symbols and pyramids. The legends say that 40 women warriors were chased into this area. In order to avoid being taken prisoner, they threw themselves from the cliff and perished.